MSI to feature dedicated 8-pin connectors across all X870E motherboards for next-gen NVIDIA RTX 50 GPUs. MSI wants NVIDIA next-gen RTX 50 GPUs to have unconstrained PCI power through the use of dedicated 8-pin connectors. Yesterday during Gamescom 2024, MSI showcased its upcoming MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi design, which is a high-end motherboard featuring tons of cool features such as 20 faces VRAM delivery and lots of I/O ports including dual USB and dual 2.5 5.0 GB Ethernet LAN port. The board also packs an easy slot and easy release mechanism, making installation and removal of M.2 and PCIe devices easier. Another interesting feature of this motherboard is the integration of dedicated 8-pin power connector, which we mentioned yesterday too. This connector will supplement the power needs for the Gen 5 lanes featured on the motherboard. We managed to get some additional detail from our sources regarding the use of such 8-pin connector on upcoming design, and the answer is the next gen NVIDIA RTX 50 series GPU. And guys, if you can see here, this is where they have installed the 8-pin connector for the 5th gen PCIe lane. Many motherboard makers such as MSI and even SS will be integrating dedicated 8-pin power connector on the motherboard to extend the power requirement of the next-gen RTX 50 GPUs by NVIDIA. It's not that these cards are going to be power hungry, but using a multiple GPU solution such as 2 RTX 40 or 50 GPUs put a lot of strain on the PCI lanes, which requires more power in the current Gen 5 generation. Following is the full list of MSI X870E and X870 motherboard that will feature the dedicated 8-pin power connector: MEG X870E Godlike, MPG X870E Carbon Wi-Fi, Pro X70P Wi-Fi, Meg X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, and X870E Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. And SS is also trying to do the same, but they need to be confirmed. X870E Rock Crosshair. As much MSI will be adding their dedicated 8-pin connector across all of its 870E motherboards and even a few X870 designs including the MPG Carbon Wi-Fi, Meg Ace and Meg Godlike. Yes, the two other motherboards are going to be the part of the lineup, but they will be showcased at later, as the launch for the X870E series is planned for the 30th of September. Not only MSI but SS will also have this dedicated 8-pin connector on its flagship the X870E Rock Crosshair Hero, but it's the only motherboard that offers such a power delivery solution for the Gen 5 lanes and the upcoming RTX 50 multi-GPU AI operations. Other manufacturers such as Gigabyte, ASRock and BioStar don't have such connectors either on the boards they have showcased as far. However, that could change and we can get closer to the launch as there is still time to make such changes.